Hello and welcome to Finance for Beginners. Today I am going to show you how to check if Payoneer account is business account. So if you are new, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started with the tutorial. So firstly, you need to open the Payoneer. In order to open it, you just have to go to your web browser and in the search bar you just have to type in the Payoneer. After that, it will show you the web source result. You just have to click on the first web source result, that is the official website of Payoneer, and when you are there, you just have to log in and sign up. And this is the home page that is shown to you. So in order to check whether your account is business account, in the left hand side, as you can see, there is a business network in the bottom. So when you click on it, there are different options. So this proves that your account is a business account. And another way to know is you can just go to the get paid option. And when you are on the get paid option, there is the request a payment option that is on the first. So you just have to click on it, and here is the business profile, and here is the submit button. So this says that you have to submit your business profile in order to get ready for the transactions that is going to happen in the future. So this shows you that it is a business account. So this is how you can easily check if the Payoneer account is a business account. So if this video was helpful to you, give a thumbs up. Thank you.